Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yuliani from Universitas Negeri Surabaya. Today, I'm going to talk about phenolic compound in Cambodian leaves and flowers at various time decomposition. And my team research, Yuni Sri Rahayu and Sari Kusuma Dewi. The background of this research based on Plumeria acuminata grow both in subtropical to tropical climates, and in the soil where Plumeria grow, there are often no herbs or weeds that live mainly in places where Cambodian leaves and flowers fall and decompose. This is thought to be because the decomposition of Cambodian leaves and flowers. The chemical compound found in Plumeria are terpenoid, steroid, phenol, glycoside, iridoids, plumericin, isoplumericin. Organic material added to the soil effect plant grow due to its influence on temperature, physics, chemistry, and soil biology. In addition, the composition of organic material will also affect its environmental condition. The composition of organic also release toxic compounds against plants and organisms are associated. The purpose of the research to find out the content of phenolic compound in Cambodian leaves and flowers that are decomposition at different times. This research was conducted by using complete randomized design with two factors, namely the decomposition period factor and extract source factor with 3 repeats. Second, step of extract making Cambodian leaves and flower are cleansed with as much as 200 grams, cut into pieces and given water as much as 300 milliliters, then mashed. After that it was filtered with Wattsman paper, then analyzed to find out. 3 for decomposition treatment. 200 grams of Cambodian leaves and flower are cut into small pieces. Decomposed for 1 to 3 weeks, and the water will be analyzed to find out the phenol content. And finally, the analyzed state of phenol compound and data analyzed using ANOVA. In this research, obtained data, first, content of benzoic acid. In table 1, the data on table 1 show that the highest benzoic acid content was in the combination of BD3 and the lowest R2D1. The result also showed that the content of benzoic acid continued to increase until 3 weeks decomposition. And next, in table 2, content of salicylic acid. The results show that salicylic acid was present in all treatment. The combination of 3-week decomposition, time treatment with the source of deciduous leaf extract exert the most influence on salicylic acid content, followed by 3-week decomposition of leaves. Next result, content of vanillic acid in table 3. This suggests that vanillic acid is found only in flower during all decomposition times, while in old leaves and deciduous leaves are not found in vanillic acid. And next result, finally, content of coumarin in table 4. Based on the result of ANAVA, the treatment of extract source and the composition period has no effect on the content of coumarin in Plumeria acuminata. The highest coumarin content is found in deciduous leaves with a decomposition of 2 weeks, while the lowest in flower with water as in table 4. And my conclusion, this research, first, Cambodian leaves and flower have phenol compound identified as benzoic acid, salicylic acid, vanillic acid, and coumarin. The largest content of phenol compound is found in deciduous leaves that have been decomposed for 3 weeks, and the lowest phenol content is found in old leaves that have not undergone decomposition. And second, decomposition time affects the content of phenol compound. The more deposition time, the more the content of phenol compound. Okay, thank you for your attention.